So if you clicked on this video, you need to get that calculus grade up. My name is Charlie, and I'm going to help you do that. Are you tired of questions like this? I sure am. Look at that. What could that even mean? My philosophy is that calculus is all about symbols. Don't worry about the numbers. The numbers are there to trick you. All calculus teachers know this. You need to forget about the numbers and just worry about the symbols. That makes you look smart. So, given this question, from 0 to infinity, find 1 over 1 plus x to the n times dx. You're probably thinking, what the hell? What am I going to do with that? Huh? The more symbols you put, the better your grade will be. And you might be thinking, this has no backing. What are you talking about? Yeah? When the Egyptians were asked, what's 8y to the third plus 3x squared? Here's what they said. Yes, all hieroglyphs were calculus. They weren't trying to tell us anything about the aliens or the pyramids. They're just trying to do their math. So, I hope you guys get great grades. Remember, just plug in those symbols.